You work hard every single day. You put in the hours. You collect your paycheck. And yet, somehow, at the end of every month, the money is just gone. Sound familiar? Here's the truth nobody tells you. It's not because you don't earn enough. It's not because the economy is bad. It's not because you're unlucky. It's because of 7 specific money mistakes that are silently draining your wealth every single day. And the scary part? Most people make all 7 without even realizing it. Stay with me until mistake number 4, because that one alone could be costing you over $500 every single month.
Welcome to Wealth Decode Blueprint, the channel where we decode the secrets of wealth and build your financial blueprint one video at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification, because every Tuesday and Friday, we drop videos that will completely transform the way you think about money. Now, let's get into these 7 money mistakes that are keeping you broke, starting with mistake number 1.
Mistake number 1. You have no written budget. Here's a shocking statistic. Over 65% of Americans have no idea where their money goes each month. They spend first and wonder later. This is called lifestyle spending by default, and it is silently destroying your finances. The fix? The 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income needs bills, rent, groceries, transport. 30% wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. 20% savings and investments. Non-negotiable. Pay yourself first. Write it down. Every single dollar. Because here's the truth. A budget isn't a restriction. A budget is a permission slip to spend without guilt. People who budget consistently build 3 times more wealth than those who don't. Let that sink in. Mistake number 2. You're only paying the minimum on your credit cards. This one will make your stomach drop. Let's say you have $5,000 in credit card debt at 24% interest rate. If you only pay the minimum, around $100 per month, do you know how long it takes to pay that off? Over 8 years. And the total interest you pay? Nearly $4,800. You basically paid for that $5,000 purchase twice. The fix? Use the avalanche method. List all your debts, highest interest rate first. Pay minimum on everything else, and throw every extra dollar at the highest interest debt. Once that's gone, attack the next one. This method alone can save you thousands in interest and years of debt slavery. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 3. Your subscriptions are eating you alive. Quick question. How many subscriptions do you currently pay for? Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, gym membership you never use, that meditation app from 2022. Add them up. The average American spends over $300 per month on subscriptions. That's $3,600 per year on things they barely use. The fix? Do a subscription audit today. Go through your bank statement last 3 months. Highlight every recurring charge. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. $300 per month saved. Invested at 10% return. In 10 years? That's over $60,000, just from canceling subscriptions you forgot about. And now, mistake number 4. This is the one I promised you. The one costing you over $500 every single month. Your money is sleeping in a regular savings account, earning 0.01% interest. While inflation runs at 3 to 4% per year. Here's what that means in real terms. If you have $50,000 sitting in a regular savings account, you are losing $1,500 to $2,000 every single year in purchasing power. Your money is literally getting poorer while it sits there. The fix? Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account, currently paying 4.5 to 5% interest. Apps like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, or SoFi offer these accounts for free. $50,000 at 5% interest earns you $2,500 per year, just for switching accounts. That's over $200 per month, doing absolutely nothing. And for long-term money, invest in index funds. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% returns per year for the last 100 years. Let your money work for you, not the other way around. Mistake number 5, lifestyle inflation. This one is sneaky. Every time you get a raise, your spending goes up too. New car, bigger apartment, nicer restaurants, better vacations. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's why people who earn $100,000 a year are still broke. The fix: apply the 50% rule. Every time you get a raise, save and invest 50% of the increase. Spend the other 50% however you want. You still enjoy your raise, but you're also building wealth at the same time. The goal is simple. Let your investments grow faster than your lifestyle. That gap between income and spending, that's called your wealth-building engine. Protect it at all costs. Mistake number 6, you're not investing in yourself. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, has said this repeatedly. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Here's the math. The average book costs $15. The average online course costs $100. But the knowledge from that book or that course could get you a promotion, a new skill, a side income worth $10,000, $50,000, or even more. That's a 1,000 times return. No stock in the world can beat that. The fix: dedicate at least $50 to $100 every month to your own education. Read one finance book per month. Take one skill-building course per quarter. Recommendations to start: The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Your income can only grow as fast as you grow. Invest in yourself first. And finally, mistake number 7, you have no emergency fund. This is the foundation of all financial security. And yet, nearly 57% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt. Think about that. One unexpected car repair, one medical bill, one job loss, and the entire financial house comes crashing down. The fix? Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund immediately. Start small if you have to. $500 first, then $1,000. Then 1 month of expenses, then 3 months, then 6. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, separate from your regular account. Label it Emergency Fund. Do not touch. This fund is not an investment. This fund is your financial airbag. Because here's the truth. It's not a matter of if a financial emergency will happen. It's a matter of when. Be ready. So let's do a quick recap. Mistake 1, no written budget. Mistake 2, paying minimum on credit cards. Mistake 3, too many forgotten subscriptions. Mistake 4, money sleeping in low-interest accounts. Mistake 5, lifestyle inflation eating your raises. Mistake 6, not investing in yourself. Mistake 7, no emergency fund. Now here's the good news. Every single one of these mistakes is 100% fixable, starting today, starting right now. If this video helped you, do me one favor, hit that like button. It helps more people find this channel and start their wealth journey. Subscribe to Wealth Decode Blueprint, because next video, we're breaking down exactly how to invest your first $1,000, step by step, dollar by dollar. The link is right here. I'll see you in the next one. Decode your wealth. Build your blueprint. Let's go.